Hello, and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Ring. Let's get to it. Today is September 15, 2025. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, details on how to do that are in the description box of the video. Thank you for your patience as I shuffle. I don't like to force the message. And if it doesn't come out and it just flips over, I keep going on. Just one more, please. Lots of really good cards I want to turn over. So good energy today. Okay. Because they flipped out, here we have the Ace of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. We have an extra card at the end. I'll put that to the side. A King of Wands, a King of Pentacles, and an Eight of Cups. We have a very difficult decision coming up. This is everything that you wanted, or at the very least thought that you wanted. You're being presented with an offer. King of Wands, King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. It's this is what you wanted, what you strove to get, right? What you had this in basically in the vision, right? In your eye, your mind's eye, that this is what you were going towards, inevitably. But now that it's here, this Eight of Cups, it's like, do I even want it anymore? Do I even want it anymore? Because to get here, to get all of this, to get to the point where you now are being offered this, here you are by yourself. The things you've endured, the things you've gone through, the things you have overcome, it it I don't know that this offer that's going to be presented to you is going to be enough. It just this is a very difficult decision that you have coming up. Princess of Pentacles. What I can tell you is to meditate, to think it over, sleep on it. You know, you don't need to make a decision right there and then. It's I can't make this decision for you. Your partner, your family, nobody else is going to make this decision for you. This is where you get to say, this decision is going to be all mine, and you are not going to have to explain it to anybody else. This decision is yours because it's yours because it's yours. This Princess of Pentacles is, you will make the decision that is right for you. Whether or not you take this deal, it's neither good or bad, whichever way you take it, because if this is you're like at this new pinnacle in your life, and whatever way you go from here, it's only up. There's other pinnacles, whether you go this way, whether you go that way, you go this way, it's just up from here. So whatever decision you make will be the right one, and you will not have to explain it to anybody. You don't know anybody any explanation whatsoever. None. None. Again, a very hard decision, but I trust you, and you should definitely trust yourself, because you have, my goodness, the wisdom, the knowledge, the intelligence. Nobody knows you better than you. You know how you've done, how you've, done away with this, done away with that, how you've gained this, why you gained this, and what you've gained. It's nobody knows that but you. Nobody knows that but you. So just be ready. Don't make a rash decision, to take a day or two to think it over, sleep on it, and you will make the right decision, whichever way you decide, whether you take this offer or not. It's it your guides and your ancestors, and they're all going to just applaud you either way. Same with your family, your IRL, in real life, if you will. With your family, your partners, they will applaud you whichever way you go. Okay, whichever way you go. And that's beautiful to see, because that means you've done the work. How you got here through everything that you've experienced, all the wisdom and knowledge. So it's okay, more than okay. It's excellent. It's excellent. Imagine getting to this point. You're presented this, and whatever way your decision, it's win-win. It's win-win. So hard decision for sure, right? It is. It is, because that'll be your decision to make. But know that whatever you take it or you don't take it, you won. You got the right. You made the right decision. Excellent work. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.